What is going on? It's your boy Warner Brother, and we are back with some more Car Industry Tycoon episode 9. Let's dive straight in. So our factory earned $188.2 sextillion over a 10-hour period. We're going to go ahead and triple that, make it 564.7 sextillions, which is a lot, and I mean a lot of money. Go ahead and add up these quests. Tons of coins rolling in. All sorts of stuff. There we go. Now we're up to 152 coins. Very nice. Go ahead and clean up those solar panels. Get our monies for those. Grab our extra 10 coins and our extra 12, well, almost 12 sextillion dollars. And we have enough money to move on to the next car build, which is the off-road car. So let's go ahead and rebuild the factory, retool everything so we can start building off-road cars. And it multiplies our earnings by 6.25 million. So once again, we're starting off at square one, but we still have a ton of money. Well, we will be making a ton of money, and hopefully quickly as well. So. I think I was a little bit too eager grabbing the money, but that's okay. We will build everything up as soon as workers start coming into the factory and start working, or once the solar panels start getting dirty like they are now. Good stuff. Let's go ahead and get our gates going. Open that up to, let's see, 35. 35, probably 25 here. 25, and let's do 15. Let's make that 20. 20, good. Do the same thing with our exit gates. 35, 35, 25, and 20. Ooh, right on the money. Good. Alright, let's go ahead and upgrade this. Let's bring that up to 25. Or, well, I guess the highest we can go right now is 24. One more. 25, there we go. And then let's start upgrading the chassis presses. Let's go up to 100 for now, just for now. Meantime, let's go ahead and upgrade our parking lot. And apparently I need to go ahead and build the suspension, body, and engine departments. Since I have the money to do so, before I can upgrade the parking lot some more. Go ahead and build this up. Bring this up to a comfortable level. Let's see. Let's bring it up to 50. Let's go ahead, we got an investor, let's go ahead and use that. Alright, so that's 1.9 trillion that we can go ahead and toss into here. We can upgrade this really fast. Oof, that was a bit higher than I wanted to. 4 and 55, 55. Beautiful. Alright, now let's focus on that. Bring this up to a comfortable level. And let's just crank this up as high as we can go. Into the billions, might as well bring that up to 400. 35. Bring this up to 30 then. 30. And that's at 400. Let's bring this up to 300. A bit laggy. There we go. Keep it rolling. 200 and 300. Alright, so we are deep in the quadrillions now. Look at the money just coming in. We're going to bring this up to 200 as well. Bring this up to 300. Bring this up to 400. And bring this up to 500. Department. No, not yet. We're getting close. Building this up. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Go 85. Comfortably 85. Bring that to 35. Okay. And we got a new investor. Let's go ahead and use that. Alright. So we got some more quadrillions. Let's go ahead and clean up them solar panels. Got some more parking. Oh yeah, looking at the interior department now. Bring this up to 40. Bring this up to 50. That was pushing it. I'm going to bring this up to only 50 as well. Let's see if we have enough money for it. We'll this up to 55. I think I could bring this up to 600, but it's going to be a bit of a stretch. 600. Bring this up to 500. Bring this up to 400. Bring this up to 300. And bring this up to 200. Lovely. Made a lot of good progress so far in rebuilding this factory. Checking out the upgrade shop. Let's see what is available. Oh wow, we're in the quintillions. I just realized that. Hold on. That's a lot. Hold on. Wait a minute. Okay, we got another investor. Let's go ahead and use that real quick. Another 8.4 quintillion, which is nice. We can add a new department, which is the windows. So window department added. Bring this up to 35. Make that 36. Actually, we can go up to 40, I think. 40 is the go. Bring that to 45. 50. 55. Ooh. 55 on this one. And 60 years. Might be able to bring this up to 200. Let's see. Bring this up to 300. Bring this up to 400. Bring this up to 500. This might be the stretch here. 500 is achieved. This one definitely might be the stretch. Getting this up to 600. Okay, we got it up to 600. Maybe getting this up to 700 might be an issue. Oh, nope, we got it up to 700. Okay. Good, very good so far. Cleaning up these solar panels. This will get a lot of money already. Let's go ahead and open up another line there. Second line, a third line there. Next time. So 15. recharge speeds. And storage line 3. Bring that up to 10. And bring this up to 15 and 15. And did one extra by accident. Have another investor. Let's go ahead and use that. Alright, so we got the monies. Let's go ahead and continue. So upgrade this. Parking's upgraded some more. Let's go ahead and finish off these gates. Finish both the entry and exit gates. So that's all we need to do then. Alright, no muss, no fuss. Beautiful. Over to the rest area. Can we finish this off? I don't think we can. We did. The rest area 1 is complete. Rest area number 2 is up to 50. Rest area 3. Let's bring this up to 25. Let's do 30. 35. Beautiful. You're doing great so far. Alright, cleaning up the solar panels. Getting some more monies. Good job, good stuff. Okay. Now let's see, elite upgrades. Let's go ahead and increase the percent of a sort of like a carpool to 10%. And increase salaries to 10% as well. That should help out quite a bit. Good stuff. Machines are running quite efficiently. But I think we can upgrade them just a little bit more. Go ahead and get that. Go ahead and get that. Okay, we're good there. Let's bring this up to 45. Yeah, 45 to go. Up to 50 here. 55. Less expensive. 60. I think we might be able to go to 65. That's gonna be a stretch. We barely got 65. Let's see if we can get 70. Oof. Okay, we managed to get 70, so that was good. Another investor. Let's go ahead and put that to use. Alright. Even more money, so that's good. I think, yeah, we can't really do much else at the current moment. Alright, got our gates maxed out. Entry and exit. We got the first brake area maxed out. Second brake area is halfway there. Third one's at 35, I think. So, got some time. Let's see. I'm gonna upgrade that to 20 now. That's about as high as I can go there. I think I can get these up to 20. Okay. Got that up to 20. Can I get this up to 15? I can get up to 15. Okay, good. Good. Got those up. Clean the solar panels once again. Good stuff. And I think for the time being, that'll give us a chance to check out the OG factory out in the forest. Really hasn't grown much. Well, I guess mostly because I don't have it set to this factory when I close the game and I can reload it. I haven't built up the money. But it's okay because my main focus is the desert factory for now. So what kind of quest is this? Oh, I clicked this factory, not the other one. Okay, now we're back. And we got some quests that we completed. Well, one quest. Right. But I think for the time being that will wrap it up for this episode. So tune in next time for episode 10 of Car Industry Tycoon, where hopefully we can start making a little bit more money. Like and subscribe for more content. Also for motorsports and gaming content, I will leave links to different channels in the description, as well as a link to my Patreon page so you can become a member. Help support the channel and help me to produce some better content. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. Your boy Warner Brother. Much love, much appreciation. Stay blessed out there, and I am out of here.